everyone, my name is Mina. I say yes out. Today I will talk about what can you see in the classroom. In the classroom, I can see a people. I see a boy. The boy is wearing a blue shirt, a blue pant, and a black shoe. I can see a volleyball. I see a boy. The boy is asleep. He has short hair and blonde hair. He is wearing a green shirt, a blue pant, and a black shirt. I can see a girl. The girl is playing volleyball. Girl is so happy. She is short hair and black hair. She is wearing a pink shirt, a gray pant, and a blue shoes. I can see a girl. The girl is wearing a pink shirt or a gray skirt, and she has short hair. She has a black hair. I can see a radio. I can see a teacher. The teacher is wearing a blue shirt, a white shirt. I see the teacher is wearing a blue shirt, white shirt, a gray pant, and brown shoes. He is blonde hair. He is short hair. I can see the teacher. The teacher is a girl. She is wearing a blue shirt. She is short hair and brown hair. I can see a radio, a computer, a volleyball, a banana, a tube bag, and a free table. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.